Hello, thank you for joining. This is Ben, and you are welcome to Code with Ben and Yav Tech. All right, so in this segment, we'll be discussing about the make directory. We are still working on the FS model, okay, with node.js. So let's just go straight to it. So we'll be using the FS model to create a directory, okay. So before that, as usual, we would have to import the model. Okay, so let's do just that. Okay, so we'll do require, and then we'll do fs, that's not fs, close the brackets. Okay. All right, so we want to create a directory, okay, on our current directory. Okay, so whichever directory we are currently on, we'll create a folder. Okay, basically that is what we are come to do. We are come to create a folder. Okay, yeah, inside that directory. Okay, so let's go ahead. So do mkdir, then we create the name of the folder. Okay, so we input if because we are doing it on the same directory. Okay, so we'll just input the name of the folder. So the name we want the folder to be, so we input the name. Let's say we are doing what we name this, not uh, fs, yeah, okay, not fs is fine. All right, so when we are done with this, then there's another argument that we need to include. So we need to include a recursive argument. Okay, so we add the recursive true. Okay, all right. Then, as usual, we always need the callback function, our error callback function. Okay, so add the err. Okay, so we say if err, because we are printing on the same line, we will not need the curly brackets. Okay, so if err through err, right? Okay, all right. So this is just it. It's very simple, very short. So when we hit the run, okay, it has created a folder for us. So you can go to the current directory you are in and check. Let me check mine here. Open file, so you can see it has created the node.fs folder for me. All right, so that is just by it with the fs model. Okay, all right, so that is just by it with the fs model here.